Alright folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do I got a cool one for you to see today, but it's not a car. I'm here with
John Donnelly.
John. Nice to meet you, John. I'm Craig with Show Me Your Car.
Nice to meet you,
Okay,
Craig.
John, tell me what you got here. This is a really cool motorcycle.
So this is a 2000 Harley-Davidson Road King International model. What makes it international is that it is a 1 of 10 that was produced by Harley-Davidson for the 2000 Sydney Olympics.
Okay.
And it was participating in the Sydney Olympics. After the Sydney Olympics, it was purchased by the Atlanta Patriot Museum, where it was on display, received this paint job, which was done by a local artist there in Atlanta. Everything is hand painted. You see there's a mural on the bike, is a conflict, one mural for every conflict that the United States has ever been in, from the Civil War up to the 9/11.
No kidding.
With it being international, it has everything's in kilometers, metric bolts. It had original silencers. After it was on display until 2015, when they changed displays, it went to Mecum auction, where it was purchased by the Combat Vets Motorcycle Association. And then when I had received it, we had changed over. We had installed the 50 cal foot pegs, the 911 running boards, the LED lights, the tail gunner exhaust, which is a really cool feature.
Oh, that is
the kids
neat.
love that.
That's really cool. Yeah.
So currently it's low mileage bike. It's got less than 5,000 miles on it. So it is used for veteran parades, military funerals. We just started doing shows with it. This is the second year for shows.
Okay.
But I just really enjoyed getting it out, letting the kids see it, letting everyone kind of learn the history behind all the murals.
Yes.
We actually I was at one show where a family came up to me and they told me they were able to trace their grandfather, a great-great-great-grandfather, from the Delaware crossing. Was part of the Delaware crossing when they saw the mural.
Wow. That's something else.
So we have everything from the Civil War all the way up to 9/11.
Boy, I tell you what, they did a wonderful job on this mural work, didn't they?
It's beautiful.
You talking time.
Yeah, you can see it's got white embedded stars. If you really look on the fender, you can really see it's got white embedded stars along the fender and other parts of the body.
Yeah.
Up here by the Iwo Jima.
Oh, I see them there.
Yep.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, I see some here in the clouds. Well, that is really, really neat.
Oh, really?
For sure.
It's beautiful. It's
something to be proud of.
It is. It's a joy to ride, for sure.
Yeah.
It's a joy to have it out. The kids love seeing it.
I bet it is, for sure. Wow. All right. Well, is there anything you want to add to showing me your motorcycle?
No, I mean, we pretty much covered it. I said currently part of the Combat Vets, myself, and we just take it out and
thanks for your service.
Thank you very much. We just really enjoy showing it, representing our veteran community.
Yes, very nice, definitely. Alrighty, sir. Well, thank you very much for taking a couple minutes out and showing me your motorcycle. Alright folks, well I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you did, click on the little round logo right there. You can subscribe there, it's free to do. Then right here on this side was the last video I just did. Thanks again for watching.